Hello everyone, welcome to CATIA tutorial. I am B. Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kids Warangal. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to construct the given piston in the CATIA V5 software. This is the given piston 2D figure. This is the front view, this is the top view, this is the side view. By using these three views, I have to construct piston 3D model in CATIA V5 software. First, you can identify the dimension. The given figure having a dimension, all dimensions are in millimeter. You can see here is a front view. You can draw this front view is symmetrical about vertical axis. You have to draw left side or right side of this front view. Then you can apply the sharp tool for revolving the entire half of the 2D sketch. You can see here uh, the front view top having four grooves. The four grooves dimensions are depth is 3 mm and this thickness is 2 mm and width is 4 mm, and top having one curve. The curve radius is 189 millimeters. First, you can activate the part design in CATIA V5 software. The shortcut key is Ctrl W. Then you have to set the units. For units, you have to choose, you have to click uh, tools in the menu bar and choose options. In the option, you can choose parameters and measure. Uh, in right side, you can choose units. In the units, number of magnitudes are available. In the first one is length. In the length, you can choose the units, that is millimeters. Then click on OK. In the specification tree, you have to choose YZ plane because YZ plane represents the front view of the given figure. Now I am choosing YZ plane. Now click on sketch tool. Now draw the rough sketch for this half of the right side part of front view. By using profile tool, I have to draw the right side part of the front view. The front view having top having 5 grooves. Just you have to draw the rough sketch. This blue color indicates the vertical lines. This the 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Next, you can also draw the bottom groove. Now close the 2D sketch. Now you can convert these three lines to construction lines. This one and this vertical line and this horizontal line. Then you can convert these continuous lines to construction lines by using these. In the sketch tools, you have to choose construction or standard element. Now the three lines are converted into construction lines. Now turn off construction. Next, give the dimensions. The horizontal dimension is 90 by 2, that is 45 mm. Next, here bottom height is not given, just you can assume 5 mm. This is the 5 mm. Next, this groove depth is 3 mm. This is the 3 mm. Next, this height is 39 mm. Next, this depth is 3 mm. This one is 2 mm. 3 mm and 2 mm. This is the 3 mm. This one is the 2 mm. For editing dimension, just you can double click on the dimension. This is the 3 mm. Final, this one is 2 mm. Next, give the width. The width is 4 mm. 4 mm. Next, you can draw the one arc. For constructing this arc, I want to mirror this horizontal construction line to the left. Now choose mirror tool, select the horizontal. Now take 3-point arc starting with limits. Choose this endpoint and first point and this endpoint, and next give some arc. The arc radius is 189 millimeters. Now similarly you have to construct inside part by using profile tool. From bottom, 2. Now remove the unwanted lines by using quick trim. This left side arc. Next, apply the constraints. The distance between this vertical axis and this vertical edge, that is 74 by 2. (37). Next, the distance between this vertical axis and this vertical edge, that is 50 by 2. 25. This vertical edge length is 16 mm. 16 mm. Next, give the this left side height is, take a approximate value that is 73, round up value 73. Next, similarly, give this dimension, that is take approximately 10. After completion of this 2D sketch, then you can exit from this workbench. Now choose shaft tool. You can revolve the 2D sketch with reference to Z axis. Now click on OK. Okay, after completion of this part, just you can apply the pocket. Uh, uh, then you can draw the two circles and apply the pocket to this part. For constructing these two circles, I want to create one plane. Now I'm choosing YZ plane. Create one plane at the distance of 90 by 2, that is 45 mm. Click OK. Now choose plane, click on sketch tool. Now draw the circle. The the circle radius is 18.8 mm. The circle radius is 18.8 mm. Next, give the constraint from bottom, that is 18.8 plus 7 mm. 18.8 plus 7. You can also check the bottom dimensions. Just you can elaborate this pot body. Now click on sketch 1 tool. You can also uh, change the dimension. I want to uh, increase this dimension, that is 27. 27 or 26 you wish. Now I'm taking 28 for correct uh, applying pocket tool. Otherwise just you can take 27.5 if the. Now exit from pocket. Now exit from workbench and click on pocket tool. The depth is 90 minus 74 by 2, that means 4 mm. Okay. Then you have to apply the same pocket to other side. Inside transformation features, mirror. Select the vertical plane, that is YZ, and click on OK. Next, finally you have to draw the circle. The circle diameter is 22. Enter. Next, give the constraint, that is 27.5. Now exit from this workbench. Now apply the pocket. Here choose up to last. Now click on OK. This is the final power drawing of given piston 3D figure. You can see the views by using this option, that is isometric view. Next, front view. And top view and side view.